created one HTML file. We right click and go to New, go to Text Document. We change the name to HTML5-1. We change the extension from TXT to HTML. Yes. Okay, so this is one HTML file. I'm going to use the Notepad++ to write some HTML code into this file. Click the file, right click, go to Edit with Notepad++. Okay, so as we see, this is an empty file. Yeah. Okay, we need to write some code. First, we need to declare we use HTML5. So we need to define the top tab. Okay. So it represents the HTML5, right? And then we need to define the root of HTML. So this will be indicate this document is HTML code. So for all the HTML code has to be writing between HTML tag. Okay, so this is / represent its end of the HTML code. This represents the start HTML code. Okay, for all the tag, we will have the start and the end. Okay, so when you define the head, and then to close the head. So between these two tags, let's address what head is. So for the head, we can define the title. Okay, so let's write something here. This is the HTML page. Title. This is HTML title. Okay, so let's open this file by browser to see what it looks like. We choose Firefox. Okay, to open that. Okay, we will see this is the HTML title we addressed on top of the page, on the tab. Okay, so if we make update, save it, refresh, the title will be updated. Okay, so this is the head. On the head also can declare the CSS and the JavaScript. So we'll talk about this later. And then we define the body. Okay. Start body, and here is the close body. So this is the main content will display on the web page. For example, if I just list something here, this is the HTML body. Okay, let's see what looks like. Okay, let's refresh the page. We'll see this is HTML body. So the body content will be displayed on the web page. So, but this is just the test. We need to do some markup. Alright? Okay, so let's try use the markup tag. Let's try the head 1. this is the head one. The H2, heading 2. Sorry. If I use the tag P, which means it's the paragraph. This is the paragraph. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Browser. Refresh. Okay, look. This is heading 1. This size is a large size. Heading 2, the size will be a little smaller. The paragraph, it's very small. Okay, so you see the differences? How you use the elements and tags to mark up the web content. Okay, so let's focus on the heading. For heading, we can define from the H1 until H6. Okay, let's try to list all of that to see the differences. Okay. 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so let's refresh our browser and see what's going to look like. You see? It's from the heading 1 to heading 6. So the size will be continuously smaller. Alright? Okay, let's try the H7 to see what it's going to look like. You see, the color will be different, which means the HTML5 will not define the H7. But let's see what it looks like on the browser. See? Okay, so this becomes a regular content. Okay, so let's focus on the elements A. This means you can add the hyperlink into one content. For example, if we want to direct to Google, we can put href. This is the attribute. Okay. We can write the content. With the first link. So what they do is to attach this link, the google.ca, on this is the first link, into this content. Okay, let's refresh page to see. Look, we have the underline on this content. If we click, we go to Google. Okay. Okay, so then let's try the image. We can attack the image. For image, we have the attributes src, which is called the source, we have to address the what source of the image. This source can be either by the hyperlink or on the local. First, let's try the online image. So let's paste the one image URL. Just make one example here. Okay, save it. Let's see what's going to happen. Refresh. Oh wow. Okay, so this image will display on the page. Someone said, okay, so this image is too big. Can we shrink the size? Of course. So for the image tag, they have two attributes to use. Width and height. So let's define the width. For example, let's go with the 100 pixels. For the height, let's try the 60. Okay, so let's see what we have. No, it's much smaller. Okay. Okay, so let's try some local image tag. See? Okay. Okay, so I put one image on the same folder. Okay, so what we do is just write the name of the image. Okay, see what it looks like. Wow, it's this image too big. Okay, let's back on code to shrink the size. Wait, make 200. Height. Okay, let's try. Alright, so it's what it looks like. See. But if we just define the width instead of height, let's see what it looks like. Alright, so let's refresh the page. Okay, so the width will be 200 pixels, which we define. The height is based on the width proportionally to shrink. Okay? Okay, so if the image location is not on the same folder, for example, there's an image, two image, it's inside the image folder. Okay, so what we do is let's include in the folder name image slash name of the image. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is because we don't define the width and height, so this is the raw size of the image. Okay, so let's go back to code to define the size. So this time let's define the height. Just define the height. Height, go with the 300 pixels. Refresh. Alright, so it's what the image looks like. Okay, so if the image it's on the peers folder. If, for example, it's on the here, the third image is here. If our source code is inside the HTML folder, which is on the up folder. Okay, so let's see how can we define this location. Okay. What we need to do is double dot slash third head. Okay, you see? Okay, let's back to define the size. We define the weight this time. For example, we go with 250 pixels. Okay, so this is the third image. We are going to talk about more elements and tag in next video. So thank you for watching. See you next time.